Happy Thanksgiving, Jassy! We are here in apple picking farm. So most of the apple actually is like almost done of the season. Are you excited, baby girl?
Look at the people.
Yes. Over there is, I think, a lot set down there. Okay. Ni, doon na. Marami pa doon. Yeah. Ah, dito oh. Ayun oh, dapat sa ano. Ayun, daddy. Ano ba to? Yung matamis.
Pwede kainin niya
Pwede lang. Bag, please. So, it's apple picking. Oh, I think. Ayun ako. Masarap dito yung silaw na apple. Yeah, yung green apple. Oh, the family. We're here in Applebee's. Whoa, daddy. And my kids are very excited. It's a cats and banding. Kuya Nash, I like your glasses, Kuya Nash. Kuya Nash, is that your glasses? A brand new glasses? Look at Kuya. I think Kuya Nash is the tallest. And Kuya Janly. Look. Just pick. Wow. At dahil first time ni Kuya. First time na, tikman niyo muna. Yung very fresh. Fresh kasi yan. Fresh. Me! Oh, wow. Yeah, fresh and big. Maghanap ka ng medyo makintab-kintab. Ano to, i-red ano siya. Ang maganda lang dito, red ano siya. Wow. So good. Ito, kukunin ko na to. They're so good. Picking. We're apple picking. 2025 was. It's red delicious siya, ate. Oo. Makapagkano nga. Wow. So fresh. Tikman ko nga. Abutin mo to. Ala, ate yang, mas masarap dun oh.
Para mapagnaga ka.
Ate, nakadami ka na?
Gusto mo mag-sizing sa Niagara?
Nakrunchy siya pa rin doon sa ganun matamis.
Doon yung masarap direct kanina sa unang video. Ang daming bunga eh. Really?
Wow! My daughter is like apple picking. 2025 was. It's red delicious siya, ate. Oo. Makapagkano nga. Wow, so fresh.